is good, guys? Okay, we're back for another video today. I'm gonna be showing y'all a few of my rods, not all my rods, cause they're outside and it's kind of raining right now. So I'm just gonna show y'all just probably like 3 or 4 of them, but hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for the support. So first off, right here is a pretty nice rod I have. This rod probably is about $200 actually. It's a really nice rod. It's a Build Ants rod. And yeah. So going on to the next rod. I have a lot more bait casters and a few more spinning rods, or whatever you call them, open faces. This is a Pine-Inch, I don't know how to really say that, bait caster right there. White and gray. Second rod. And here's one of my spinning rods. Little, what's it called? Mojo Bass. Pretty nice rod. Yeah. Then we got one more. This is my favorite rod, pretty much out of all of them. This one is a Kinetic PT Tour Kevin Van Dam. That's probably my favorite rod out of all my rods. But yeah, that's all the rods I'm going to be showing for this video. In later videos, I'll probably show you some of my rods because I'll be fishing with them. Well, make sure to like and subscribe on this video. I'm at 73 subscribers. Thanks a lot for the support. And see y'all next time.